Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to another video by Sandwin. So guys, in today's video we're going to talk about the best extension to manage multiple LinkedIn accounts from one single browser. There could be a chances, that you might be using more than one LinkedIn profile, but how do you use them in one single browser? So that's how, so that's what we're going to deal in this video, right? So at first I want you to come over to this website, which is called Sandwin. All links are there in the description, so you can just click over the link and in just a single click you'll land up with this page. All right, so you don't have to do anything, you don't have to worry anything. Just go ahead, install this extension, and do make sure that you need to register an account here. All right, so you can do that also after installing the extension, so there's no worry for it. All right, so just go ahead, click on install extension, and now just choose your browser. Okay, you might be using Google Chrome or you might be using Edge or Firefox, whatever your browser is. Just go according to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, so I'll just click on the Google Chrome, and here you see the web store page for Sandwin has loaded. It's the official web store page of Sandwin. So now next what we got to do is, right, you should see an option called add to Chrome. So just click over it. It's just simple. As soon as you click on add to Chrome, you get some alert. Just click on OK, confirm, and there you go. You have this extension added to your browser. Now click on this extension icon there, and you can also pin it from here. Okay, so when you pin extensions, you get to see them over here, in the extensions bar. Okay, all right, in the search bar you can see them over the right. So here we have the extension called Sandwin, right? It's already installed. So next what you're gonna do is we exit this tab, and next we need to visit LinkedIn. So guys, here you see I'm logged into my LinkedIn profile. So now next what I can do, okay, in order to access some other account apart from this that I'm logged into, what I can do is I'll just hover over this this extension icon, and then I'll click over this. Right, so now I have two options to create unsaved session or a saved session. So let me tell you, when you create saved session, you basically your info is stored for a longer time, and perhaps it's good for you if you want to use it for a long run. And next we have unsaved session, which creates temporary session of the same website, and definitely this is a temporary session, so you don't really rely upon it too much. So we're gonna click on save session for now, and now you can name this anything, right? So for example, I'm gonna give it a name LinkedIn, and just to keep things organized I just keep a number like 1 or 2. Since it's my first profile, so I'll just keep 1. And next is link group, so let's create a group called LinkedIn, and next we'll just click on add, and that's all. You can see we have a new tab open up. So next what you can do is in this new tab you can either sign in with a new account or just register for a new account. That's super simple, and it just don't just work for just 2 accounts. You can do this for multiple accounts, right? So let me show you. Let me create another tab, right? So I'll just click on this extension, I'll click on save session back again, and then next I'm gonna write LinkedIn 2 this time, and again we'll just add. The group is already created, so we just select the group, and next we click on add, and that's all, right? So here we have 2 options, where again we need to enter details and sign up, sorry, or we can either sign in. So let me tell you, whatever you do in this tab, it ain't gonna affect this tab, and whatever you do in this tab ain't gonna affect any of these either tabs, right? Because each tab has got its own identity, so anything that you mess around with this account, it's not gonna affect this one because they are like alien to each other, right? So that's how you basically manage your multiple LinkedIn accounts from one single browser. I do believe that this video should have definitely helped you out, and if it did, then do make sure to drop the like button, and also if you got any queries, do make sure to drop them down in the comment section. We're very happy knowing about knowing what your thoughts on this video, and we definitely would love reverting back. So guys, do make sure that you follow this and definitely install this extension called Sandwin. It's a powerful tool that can help you do a lot. All right, you can check out the other videos in our channel. We've got a ton of videos talking about just the potential of Sandwin, right? So with this I sum up my video here. I'll see you in some other videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.